Welcome back. Today, we're going to explore how to view received friend requests on Discord using your PC. If you've been wondering where to find those friend requests, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features. Once you're in, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the Discord logo. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you back to the main menu where you can manage your friends and servers. Next, ensure that the Friends tab is selected. This is where you can see all your current friends, as well as any pending requests. Now look for the Pending section. Click on it to view all the friend requests you've received. Here, you'll see a list of users who have sent you requests to connect. If you see someone you'd like to accept, simply click on the Accept button next to their name. If you decide you don't want to connect with them, you can also choose to decline the request. And that's it. Viewing your received friend requests on Discord is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on navigating Discord effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.